Thank you once again for joining me on my Quantum Analytics project presentation. Here is Project 10, where I analyze sales data using Excel. The total revenue captured from the data set is over $2 million. Average price of the item is $223.67. Quantity sold is 9,119 units. The revenue variation, as we can see from the trend, dropped from 1.58 million in 2018 to 870,000 in 2019. The highest revenue recorded by days is on Saturday with about $335,000, while the total revenue recorded by months, which shows March having the highest with about $230,000. Looking at salesperson's categorization, the salesperson that shows the highest revenue is Laura with $276,000 in total revenue, while the salesperson with the lowest revenue is Kim with $231,788. The revenue proportion by region is almost the same, so there's not much disparity across the regions. Using Excel, you can also incorporate slicers. So I have two slicers here, the region slicer and the salesperson slicer. So I can decide to use any one to get more insights within the data. For instance, if I use Ben Wallace as my slicer, so if I click on Ben, it's going to show the statistics generated by Ben, okay? So I can see that for Ben in 2018, Ben was able to bring in $138,000 compared to 2019, which dropped to 120. So that is looking at Ben. For the revenue by days, if you check the statistics, you can see that the highest revenue from Ben is recorded also on Saturday with over $42,000. If you look at the monthly statistics from Ben, looking at the month from December until January, I can see that the highest revenue pulled by Ben was in May with $38,710. So this interactive dashboard is the one representing the contribution from Ben. And again, you can see that when I clicked on Ben, it indicated Texas. So that means that Ben mostly operated from Texas region. Let me click on another salesperson, Oscar. If I click on Oscar, you can see that the statistics also change, and we can see that Oscar operates mainly from Arizona. You can see the revenue variation from Oscar. It dipped from 157,000 to 94,000, and you can see that for Oscar, Sunday is the day he recorded the most revenue. Looking at the months, I can see that Oscar recorded also most of his total revenue in March. So whenever you use slicers, you will always get more insights within your data. So this is my Excel presentation from the sales data set. Thank you so much for listening. Like I said one more time, this is my 10th project. Please don't go away. Stay tuned for Project 11. Thank you so much. I'll be right back. Bye.